Welcome to Your Friend the Cook's Funhouse, featuring family favorite meals by SJ. It's SJ's Funhouse. Here is today's ingredient list for my sweetheart lasagna rolls and garlic love knots. This one is for all the lovers in the house. It's the perfect dish for Valentine's night dinner or a fun Galentine's lunch. Whatever you choose, this one is sure to tug on some heartstrings while filling up some bellies. Here is a first look at our ingredients. We have ground turkey, mozzarella, tomato sauce, ricotta, pizza crust mix, a blend of red and green peppers with onion and garlic, extra chopped onions, green peppers, red peppers, minced garlic, butter, sugar, white pepper, salt, Italian seasoning, oregano, parsley, our lasagna noodles, and our heart-shaped baking pan. Okay, let's begin with the sauce because good sauce takes time. In a heated pot, pour in the tomato sauce, add 1 tablespoon of salt, one tablespoon of oregano, 1 tablespoon of parsley, 1 tablespoon minced garlic, the white pepper, and 1 tablespoon of sugar to balance the acidity. Now stir. Now add 1/2 cup of the blended pepper mix. You can also season the pepper mix with a little bit of salt and pepper. Stir again, cover, reduce to low, and let it gently simmer. Next, heat a pan with a little olive oil. I'm using herb infused. Add the chopped onions, red peppers, and green peppers. Let them saute low and slow. While that cooks, season the ground turkey. Add 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of parsley, 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, and mix well. Add the remaining blended mix and combine again. Now check on your peppers. Give your peppers a stir. Then add in the turkey mixture. While that cooks, bring a pot of water to a boil. Add your lasagna noodles. Now check on your sauce. Stir your sauce occasionally. If it thickens too much, just add a splash of water. Keep it low and slow until that acidity cooks out. Once the pasta is done, drain it. Check on your turkey meat. Cook until brown and no pink remains. In a bowl, season the ricotta with 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning and mix together. Now it's time to assemble. Lay 1 strip of lasagna on your surface. Spread ricotta. Spoon over the sauce. Add the ground turkey. Add a little more sauce. Then mozzarella. Roll it gently and place it in your baking pan. Repeat until you have 5 beautiful rolls nestled inside, or as many rolls fit inside of your baking pan. Top with a little more sauce. and a generous layer of mozzarella. And into the oven it goes. While that bakes, let's make our garlic love knots. This recipe mix takes 1 cup of hot water. Stir until it is well combined. Form the dough. Cover and let rest for 5 minutes. Let's check out our dough. Flour your surface and roll out the dough. Once the dough is rolled out, cut into strips. For the garlic butter, melt 3 tablespoons of butter. Add Italian seasoning, minced and roasted garlic, and a pinch of salt. Brush the strips. And shape them into hearts. Place on a parchment lined pan and bake at 400 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes until golden brown, like this. When they come out, toss them in the remaining garlic butter and Parmesan if desired. Toss, toss, toss. And how adorable are these? And now, out of the oven comes our rolled lasagna, saucy, cheesy, and baked with love. Sweetheart lasagna rolls served with garlic love knots. simple, romantic, and made from the heart. Enjoy.